Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use silica gel for shoes. First, understand that silica gel is excellent for absorbing moisture, which prevents unpleasant odors and mildew from forming in your footwear. This simple step can significantly extend the life of your favorite shoes, protecting them from dampness damage. It works effectively on all types of materials, from leather to canvas, keeping them fresh and dry. Before introducing silica gel, it's crucial to prepare your shoes properly. Begin by cleaning them thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. Make sure your shoes are completely dry. The gel works best on existing moisture, not on wet surfaces. If your insoles are particularly damp, consider removing them to allow for better air circulation and drying before reinserting them with the gel. Now, let's place the silica gel. For most shoes, insert 1 to 2 small silica gel packets into each shoe. If you're dealing with larger items like boots, you might need more packets or larger ones to be effective. Position the packets deep inside the toe area, as this is often where moisture accumulates most. This strategic placement ensures maximum moisture absorption. Silica gel is reusable, which is a great benefit. To reactivate it, simply bake the packets in an oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for a few hours until they are dry again. You'll know it's time to replace them if they no longer absorb moisture effectively after reactivation. For optimal protection, always store your shoes with the reactivated gel in a cool, dry place.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.